You've been told that putting your money in a savings account is the safe move.
But what if I told you that your bank is actually helping your money disappear? It all comes down to a battle between two numbers, APY and inflation.
APY is the interest the bank pays you, usually a tiny fraction of a percent. Inflation is the rate at which the price of everything else goes up.
Think of it like a treadmill.
Your APY is you walking forward at 1 mile per hour.
But inflation is the treadmill moving backward at 7 miles per hour.
Even though your balance is growing, your purchasing power is shrinking. $1,000 today might only buy $800 worth of goods next year. This is what economists call negative real returns.
So, is the savings account a total scam?
Not exactly. It's still the best place for your emergency fund. You need that money to be liquid and accessible in a heartbeat.
But for long-term wealth, you need to outpace the inflation monster.
That means looking at high-yield savings accounts, or HYSA. Or considering diversified investments, like index funds. The goal is to make sure your money is working as hard as you do.
Stop letting inflation eat your lunch.
Check the link in the description to find the best rates available right now.